Welcome to the Qsigma. Today is June 4th and this is the New York session and New York and London session. It's only about 23 minutes to close the London session, and it's about more than 5 hours from the starting of the New York. And in the morning video, the Asian session video, we give you a detailed explanation about our selected portfolio and the trades that we are getting. Now I'm giving you an overview that what happened to those trades and what other trades that we are in the London session. And okay, let's go for as you remember, in our portfolio we have the AUD. We don't have the AUDUSD. We have the EurUsd, and we actually getting for our trade with the alert, with the prediction. As you wait, I'll make enlarge for you. Okay, this is the trade that we were in the same exit, and this was the exit of a trade, and we got the first exit in here, but unfortunately we were not in the station right on the time, so I manually exit in here, but to the rules we should exit in this position or in this position. If we exit as same as the system give us, we will gain about 2%, but because of my manual exit, I was able to gain about 1.5% gain from the EurUsd today. And it from this entry it moved about 140 pips. If you able to catch those, because of the first exit we 100% exit in the here, we don't partially exit. If anyone exit partially and exit in 100% in here, he will gain more than what we gain. Okay, it's about the EurUsd results. And then we have in our selected portfolio we have the GBPUSD too, but we were not in for our trades because of the we already in EurUsd, and some the EurUsd and the GBPUSD are positive correlated, so we do not enter because we always try to enter for the non-correlated pairs because to reduce the risk. Okay, then we enter for the trade GBPAUD, as you see, and it went about 2% gain, but unfortunately we were close at the break-even points, so we don't get any profit from the GBPAUD. If anyone keep this trade to the downside, he or she will be gain about 2%. Now they can exit about from the 1% too. Okay, it's about the GBPAUD, and let's go for the next portfolio that we were in. NzdUsd, it's a nice trade that we took today. We were in from here, and our risk was here, and our system exists from here, and we were gained about 2% from NzdUsd. It calculated the total of 3.5% gain from the EurUsd 1.5% and NzdUsd 2%. This was the two trades that we were in, and USD SGD, and we were not in this trade because of this impulsive loss, and we were not in this trade. We will though we have this pair in our portfolio today, we do not enter any trades because of the maximum risk allocation of 2%. We will not able to enter for any other trades. This is the German index. It also pushed nicely for up, but we do not enter for any trades. So this is the summary of the New York, and now it's time very near to the close of the London. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.